Hey, hi everyone. Hope that you're good today. I have decided to make this video to tell you a little bit more about our special promotion price to our new pricing plan uh, at a fixed price of $15 per month, and why we choose to move out from our paid as you go plan to a fixed price plan, and what would be next on the next few months with Analytics4Notion. We still have the basic free plan with 200 logs to try Analytics4Notion for free, and we decided to make a new pricing plan based on our feedbacks we get from users to a fixed price, monthly fixed price of $45 US dollars with a special price of $15 this month in October for each new subscriber between before the 1st of November. So this is lifetime plan. All is unlimited in this plan. We choose to have unlimited trackers, unlimited logs. We have unlimited collaborators and unlimited administrators. The difference between the two is that an administrator can administrate at the Analytics4Notion trackers, and a collaborator just can view the metrics that is generated by our trackers on your Notions workspace and pages. And after that, you have all the same features that you have before. So why we choose to move from a pay-as-you-go plan to a fixed price plan? We choose to move to a pay-as-you-go plan to a fixed price plan because first we have some feedbacks from our first user that telling us that it could be a no-go if because more you use your Notions, more you will have to pay Analytics4Notion. We do not have anticipate that. Actually, we based our first pricing plan and we choose a pay-as-you-go plan because the other analytics tool for websites, other websites like I have to give you one name. It's like a Plausible. It's that it is a pay-as-you-go plan, in fact. So we were thinking that it was a good idea, but no, it wasn't. So we decided to move to a fixed price plan with everything unlimited in this plan. So and we make a special offers this month for each subscribers for before the 1st of November to a fixed price at $15 each month. It's a lifetime deal. So for every new subscriber before the 1st of November, you will pay Analytics4Notion $15 per month without taxes. And after that, we think that we are going to move to a monthly price at $45 each month because we have some new features coming soon, and we are going to give more value to the companies that are using Notions to know a little bit more about how their employees are using Notions, and to have some measurements on the knowledge basis to improve it, because knowledge is a key factor for your growth, and we know that. And we also know that you can find all the answer or all your questions into Notion for those one who are using Notion as a knowledge basis for their companies. And we want to give you those tools and those measures to improve your knowledge management into your company. So that's it. That's all. That's I wanted to talk to you today, just to explain you why we are moving to our pay-as-you-go plan to a fixed price plan, and why we make a special offer for it. So take your chance, go subscribe before the 1st of November. Have a good day all. See you soon. Bye.